She like my style, she tryna turn me to a nigga. I just woke up, now they say that I'm a star. I just wanna ball, my God. Drive off the walk, he just.
Thank you for being a friend. Travel down the road and back again. Your heart is true, you're a pal and a confidant. And if you threw a party, invited everyone you knew.
What's up, vlog? We are back at it again after a long break.
Sorry about the wait.
But it's all for the better.
Oh
Stay
yeah,
tuned.
gonna be one of the best videos yet.
Promise you
2020,
that.
baby.
Bruh.
Come on, buddy. Go. Here with my friend Javon.
Hello.
How you doing, Javon?
I'm doing quite okay. How are you doing, sir?
I'm doing pretty well.
That's good.
So, how's your wrestling season go?
I'm not even in wrestling anymore. I'm not
about
that. Not about that.
That's awkward. Well, for reasons we legally can't speak about, I'm gonna let Javon go.
Thank you.
Hey guys, today we're interviewing our friend James Stanley. He's one of my closest partners on the basketball court and Jacob's friend in life.
All right, I think I'm gonna start it off. So, what does it feel like to be called things like skinny, skeleton?
You know, I
Not
just like
liked
to introduce
that at
myself.
basketball.
James Stanley. Those names are not my actual name. But back to the basketball thing. Those things that you guys said to me on the court motivated me and pushed me to be better.
Or worse.
So actually, thank you.
But James, you haven't made any improvements recently.
How would you know, Jack?
Because
Let's
I
move on to the
watched.
next question.
Okay.
Next question.
How does it feel that your brother, who is, let's say, well, let's not say anything. How does it feel that he's more popular than you?
It hurts, but I also know he does stuff to himself to like make him appeal to be cooler, and it's just bad.
It seems as though you do a lot of that yourself.
I have no
It just
clue
doesn't
what you're
seem to
talking
work.
about.
And for the last question I have for you, what is it?
I'm kind of retarded.
What does it feel like to have a huge head, like a massive head?
Well,
that does not fit on your body, like it's unproportional.
well, like what Mom says to me, don't worry about that.
Like James in the
You
giant
look good.
head instead of
Every-
Peach.
Once yet again, interrupt. But like every day I leave, I get that handsome young man compliment, and it just puts a smile on my
From
face.
his grandmother.
That's great to hear.
From my mom.
You have a great day, sir. I appreciate that.
Hey, great talking to you. Hey guys, what's up? About to do the shotgunning in front of a teacher prank. This is part 1. There's going to be a part 2 with Jacob later on in the vlog. Stay tuned. How you doing?
I'm great.
Really?
Yep.
Are you sure? For legal purposes, there was absolutely no alcohol used in this prank. This was iced tea from our local school vending machine, and we do not condone the drinking of alcohol for underage individuals.
What I want, you got, and it might be hard to handle. But like a flame that burns a candle.
That was great.
Hey Manu, how's the basketball season going, brother?
Okay. Just you. Get in front.
Hold this jacket for me.
Missed the tag.
Okay, you know the brand, we win this. Better ask about the baby and see what they say. That little nigga ain't playing, he with it. Nigga know I keep firing me 24/7. You get cooked like a pan, the skill
Nice. Hey Jack, how's it going, man? All right. Good win, bud. All right. Now we're gonna go behind the scenes. So Jack, how'd you do, man?
15 points, bro. 2 threes.
Good shit.
Going off today. I'm not gonna lie.
Impressive.
Nice Deadler.
Warning, the video you are about to see is done by trained professionals. Do not try this at home.
Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're eating Carolina Reapers and lunch. Yeah, get a nice little close up of that. Everyone, we got a little crowd watching too.
Not gonna lie, I am scared out of my mind.
Yeah, I'm extremely scared.
Got milk on deck.
Now we're gonna open them up.
Pass them out.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Let's get a smell first. They don't smell great.
All right. Don't touch your eyes after you touch these, especially too. We need some mushrooms. Someone's right there so they can't see. Jake, are you sitting here? All right, come on. Jack, are we eating it? Jacob, are you eating it? Let me smell it.
All right, let's pass them out.
Hey,
Not side effect.
Jack, here's your pepper. Jake, here's your pepper. Hell yeah. I'm not eating this big ass one. I can't do that. Fuck
Don't put it in my food, bro.
that. You guys ready? Everyone ready?
Somebody count down 5 seconds.
Hey, everyone chew it at least 3 times.
Okay. 5.
How big of a bite are we taking? I'm not eating this.
All right, 3, 2, don't eat the seeds, 1, go. Wow. At first I was like, this isn't even hot. You swallowed it? Did I swallow it? Do you still have it in your mouth? Yeah, now all the cheeses are looking good.
It's not even that bad. I could probably do 2 more.
Hey, I'll take another. Where's what? Right there. Oh, God.
Do it.
Not
all of it, it's all seeds.
It's alright.
Bro, this burns.
He still had it in his mouth. Wow. Oh, God. I'm really glad I didn't swallow that. How you feeling, man?
Not gonna lie, I feel like
I'm shaking. I'm shaking so bad right
my
now.
tongue really fucking hurts.
How's everyone feeling?
My
Jack?
tongue is on fire, bro.
Journey? Leilani, how do you feel? Jake, how you feeling? Not great, dude. Not great. All right. Jake, how's it feeling?
Bro, the heat is like coming out of my nose.
I'm
right now.
shaking. I can't stop shaking, bro.
Bro,
I gotta get the camera back.
my ears hurt.
This milk is like sex.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get a 20 out of my car and buy 40 things.
You need milk, bro. Here, take my milk. Milk already.
I think I'm gonna throw up.
Actually? Oh my God, man. Jeez. Alright, we'll be back with the vlog. We did it.
They're thinking, why the fuck is everybody
Everyone
buying
is
milk?
dying.
Look,
Jack, how you feel?
not great.
Jake?
My face on fire.
Jake swallowed 2. I don't know what the hell's wrong with him. But yeah, we did it.
That's nasty.
Alright guys, that's the end of our video.
Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe.
Comment down below.
JL and JP out.
We'll be back soon.